Welcome to San Antonio, Texas for a look at the Drury Plaza Hotel San Antonio Riverwalk and one of their king bed suites with an in-room jetted tub. We stayed 2 nights at this hotel on the Riverwalk, so let's show you around. So this is one of their spacious 2-room suites. As you can see, it's got a large living area with a mini fridge, microwave, plus a sink and coffee and tea making. As you step around the corner to the bedroom area, a full-size king bed is there, with lots of closet space to unpack. Now the jetted tub is located in the master bath, right next to a small walk-in shower. It can fit one person very comfortably, and maybe 2 smaller people up close. Of course, we're always interested in how it works, and so we filled it up and turned on the jets, and as you can see, no problem at all. Just a few more things to tell you about the Drury Plaza Inn. They've got 2 pools, including one on the rooftop with a nice view of the downtown. There's also a free hot breakfast each morning, and a complimentary kickback beer and wine reception in the evening at 5:30 p.m., which also includes lots of finger foods. If you're planning a romantic getaway or honeymoon in Texas, an in-room jetted tub suite at the Drury Plaza Hotel San Antonio Riverwalk is a great choice. Thanks for watching this video room tour here on ExcellentRomanticVacations.com.